Now I fill the revenue values from year 2 to year 6 by inserting a growth trend. To interpolate new values correctly by inserting growth trend in the range from year 2 to year 6, make sure the middle cells in the range are blank. First, select these cell references range. Press delete key. Select the cell references range from the starting value of revenue to an ending value of revenue. In Home tab, Editing Group, click Fill arrow button, click Series. The Series dialog box opens. In Type Group, check the Growth option and check the Trend box. Click OK. Select these middle values. These middle values are called interpolated values, and these middle values are generated by inserting a growth trend. So the revenue values are projected from year 1 to year 7 by assuming a growth trend. As I have earlier explained, in a growth trend, the values change by a constant percentage each year. Now I check the percent change of each year by dividing 1 year revenue value by the previous year revenue value. You will see the revenue values will grow by a constant rate. Active this cell, enter equal sign. Divide this year revenue value to previous year revenue value. Click this cell reference, enter division operator, click this cell reference, press enter key. Again active this cell. In a number group, click number format arrow button. Click percentage. So the revenue of year 2 increases by 91.41%. Now I check the percentage of year 3 revenue. Active this cell, enter equal sign. Divide the year 3 revenue value to the year 2 revenue value. Click this cell reference, enter division operator, click this cell reference, press enter key. Again active this cell, click number format arrow button, click percentage. So the revenue of year 3 also increases by 91.41%. Now I check the percentage of year 4 revenue. Active this cell, enter equal sign. Divide the year 4 revenue value to the year 3 revenue value. Click this cell reference, enter equal sign, click this cell reference, press enter key. Again active this cell, click number format arrow button, click percentage. Once again the revenue of year 4 also increases by 91.41%. Similarly, the revenue of other years increases by 91.41%. The values of revenue grow at a constant rate of about 91.41% each year. So by inserting a growth trend, the revenue values change by a constant percentage each year.